Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're going to be changing out the radiator on this Astra. This is going to be part 3. I've done 2 parts already on the failure sheet of this car, and I think we're going to start on some of the advisories. We'll go through those in a bit, but so hopefully we're going to do the brake pads, radiator. There aren't many videos on YouTube of doing these radiators, and what videos are on there are not very explanatory at all. So I'm not too sure whether to make this a how-to video, but I'll just record the process of me taking the radiator off, and we'll try and get as many jobs done today as possible, because we've got plans now whether to trade up this car. So this is probably a sub £1,000 car, and it's going to be sold, and obviously we're going to reinvest the money. We're going to see what we can get, but let's get on with the radiator. We're going to spray the calipers, change the pads, and just try and get as much done today as possible. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like, share, all that good stuff. Help my channel grow. Got about 29 subscribers at the moment, so come on, try and help me get to at least 100, and I can produce more videos, more content. And leave a comment down what cars you want to see on the channel, or bikes. Do bikes as well. So get on board, boys. And
we're taking the fan off, so take that bolt out there. It's a size 8 female Torx, and the other bolt will be coming up as soon as I get the camera down there. You'll see it in the corner of the film, in the corner of the screen, just there, and we'll take that one out as well. And that's why I think the radiator needs changing also. And also you need to disconnect the fan, which is here. Also, you can probably get it from on top, it's a bit difficult, so I'm underneath. There it is. So there probably should be 3 bolts holding that. Mine's only held by 2. So under the bolts, under the power supply, comes out. Just drain the coolant. That's how you drain the radiator, bottom driver's side. Now I'll take off the hose, top hose.
As you can see, this bottom hose can be undone from underneath the car. Just stick your head under bumper and wiggle this clamp off. It's a little difficult, you have to put, but as you can see, there's a tie up underneath the car. So this side to get ready out, right? Just 2 bolts on the side. E10. And that releases that clip. And on the other side. One more clip. Once that's off, that one bolt, lift away the air conditioning. It comes off on the radiator. So, well, looks like we've been given the wrong radiator. It's shorter. It should still mount. But missing this clip here. So that's also done.
We went straight up to and got another radiator, the correct one this time.
You alright?
Now we're going to have to take off 2 rubber mounts from the old radiator and transfer them over to the new radiator. You see the 2 like prongs sticking out the side? We've got to put 2 rubber mounts on there. the radiator mounting brackets now, or securing brackets. They sit over the rubber pieces we took off the old radiator. There is a thread that faces towards the outside, so you can bolt it through the front slam panel of the car, and we'll bolt that on as soon as we drop these on. All that's left to do now is secure the radiator in place with these 2 bolts, one either side, Torx 10 female, and connect up all the pipe work, and the radiator is installed. On to the brakes now. A quick blast with a drill, the calipers and the disc just all over, and then we can start masking and spraying. Just take a look at the rust on these brakes. Finished with trying to grind this rust off or scrape it off. We're going to brake clean everything down, ready for paint. Red oxide primer is done. We can move on to top coats.
Well, all done. Much better. Got a little overspray there, but it'll come off. As you can see now, brand new brake pads. Job done.
Headlights. We're going to degrease them, wash them. Then they're going to use 3000 grit sandpaper, and then buff them, polish them. The headlights are looking after 3000 grit sandpaper, and this one was given a quick hand buff. The passenger side, you can see it's just been sanded, hasn't been polished at all yet, very dull, but already a massive improvement, and we'll just get on with the cutting and buffing. How it's looking after we've cut it with a wall pad. Not done the final polish yet, so the passenger side has been sanded and the driver's side has been cut with a wall pad. This is now the final finish. It has been wall pad cut and it has been foam pad polished. Final results. I mean, I think they look, look at the shine on that. You can see the wall pad on the car, and you'll see the polishing pad on the polisher. There it is. So, I mean, absolute amazing difference.
Well, that's about just going to conclude this video. The brake pads
did come up as an advisory, so we changed those. And I think the rear shock, probably show you the advisory list next video. But in the next video, also going to be spraying the front bumper. We're going to be tackling some of the bodywork, a couple of dents, a few stone chips, so we're going to get that done. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, help the channel grow. So try and get maybe 100, well, it'd be nice to get 100 subscribers, maybe 1,000. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and there will be a giveaway if we hit our target. So maybe a camera, toolbox. So yeah, there'll be something I'll be giving away as an incentive, out of my own pocket, of course. So there'll also be another series of this Astra on how to prep a car for sale. You know, all the little bits you should do, and just the bits that I'm doing just to ensure the car looks its best and to get that sale. So if you want to come back for that, I'll start working on that. It should just be one video, everything that got done to this car. If it failed the MOT, obviously you tackle those problems, and if you want an advisory free sheet, you obviously tackle those problems too. So you've obviously got to get the car looking its best, so cleaning, spraying, whatever it needs. So but like again, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, help the channel grow, and I'll catch you again.